My name is Jayden. My business is Empire Chicken, and I am kind of operations manager, general manager of the whole thing. I think getting tunnel visioned in the business, because I was very much, as I think a lot of business owners are, focused on just what was right in front of me, and the boardroom kind of gave me an opportunity to open up my lenses a bit and get a bit of insight beyond what was right in front of me. I didn't have many fears about it actually.
Okay.
Had my introductory sessions just to see what it was about and left those super excited. So the idea to get involved was really a no-brainer for me. Yeah, it's been massive. I'd say the largest stuff was getting a lot more insight around the financials and seeing the numbers but learning to read the numbers and track that better has been big for me. And then the second one was outside the financial sessions was setting. I came from a perspective of set your goals and try and get to them, not a set your goals and then create a system in place to get to them. And so the insights that I got from the coaching sessions to actually go, hey, let's set the goals, that's good, long-term, short-term goals, but then let's build little bite-sized chunks to actually achieve those properly, not just hope that you get to them. So that's been massive as well. I mean, a lot of owners, I think, could get insight from this because you don't know that you need it until you start to do it and unlock some of that extra knowledge about your own business. If you're an owner operator and you're working in it, understanding the processes and steps to take to work on it, I think is super valuable if that's what you want. Some people want to do the thing, which is sweet. We were trying to grow a business that can operate without us, so seeing those steps to get there for me was huge. So, and any other business owner that is in that same position where they're in it every single day and they want to work on it so that it can grow bigger, I think those are the people that will find heaps of value.